What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Nissan Smart Key remote fob. This Nissan key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key, the first thing that we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can set that to the side for now. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, you see on the sides there's these silver kind of trim pieces. What I'm going to do is get my screwdriver in the space between that silver trim piece and the black plastic right here, and just start it in there and then kind of pry up like that. You can see it starts splitting the shell apart. Then I'm just going to carefully kind of work my way around, working that apart, and then once you get it far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way off with your hand. And in the back half of the case, we can see the battery right here. I'm just going to grab my screwdriver and use it to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. I'm going to grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side down. The plus side is going to go down, and you kind of want to tuck the edge in first that's by that little metal piece. So kind of start it in there like that, and then snap it down. We'll put this back together, and if your circuit board's moved around at all, make sure that's seated down in that little rubber piece like that. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.